thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a warm-up. I'm going to show you a warm-up routine that I like to use, just to get ready for the strength training, or the strength training of the normal workout. It just involves some aerobics, some basic aerobics, and some little bit of boxing, a little bit of martial arts. Very simple, 10-15 minutes. Okay, so this is a warm-up routine that I like to do, here in the bedroom. I'm actually traveling now, so this is a, home workout, home body weight workout that I can do while traveling. Okay, so starting out, I usually just start out with some aerobics. Okay, simple aerobics like this. Okay, and just one of the best things I find to do is just to change it up, to get a little bit of aerobics, along with, working out your ab muscles, burning fat along the ab area. So then swinging your feet from side to side, and then move from that to what I call the apsara. Okay, just moving your legs up and down, basically moving your legs up to the side. Okay, so it's just giving you some fat burning, aerobics, utility, if you will, okay, to the workout. And then going from that, okay, to a twist. Okay, lift your knees up and then twist your body at the same time to, sort of attack the obliques, target the oblique area. Okay, and you can do that a couple times if you so wish, to get a really nice little workout. Okay, and then I just move to some, some boxing, basic boxing movements. Okay. Okay. Or side view. Breathe normally. Just make sure you breathe. Okay. All right. And then switch to the other side just to get some symmetry in there. Breathe. Breathe out. Okay, again, you're not throwing your weight into it. You're just doing aerobics, and you're working on your technique. You're not throwing your power into the punches. Okay, just working on your footing and your punching technique. Okay, and then switch to, if you want to do some taekwondo or something, which I do, obviously. All right, and then you can do some elbows. Okay, elbows, straight elbow, side elbow, reverse. Okay, try a couple of those. Okay, we're just getting aerobics. You're not throwing any power into it. Just working on your technique, getting a little aerobic workout. Okay, just make sure you breathe normally. Breathe out as you punch or you elbow. Breathe out. Okay. And then switch to the other side. Always do both sides. Did the reverse first that time. Breathe out as you let loose with that power, the power punch. Okay. All right, and finish up with that, and then let's do some kicks, some quick kicks. I'm not going to unload on the kicks because it's a small space, and when you're doing a kick, you can easily mess up and hit the television or something, if you lose your balance or something. Okay, so just you know, you're just trying to get some exercise. You know, you're just trying to get some aerobic exercise. I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not in a taekwondo competition here. Okay, just work on your technique. Don't throw your power into it. Okay. Aerobics. Okay. Okay, front kick. Oops, not that kick. Okay. Okay, and then switch to the other side. So just always make sure you get both sides. Okay. So again, I'm doing this. You know, I'm doing the side kick. And please, you know, if you're just trying to get an aerobic workout, just be careful. You know, if you're traveling in your hotel room or in your home, you know, if you're outside, it's okay. If you're in the dojo, you're in the gym, it's okay. But you know, if you're at home, just be careful if you want to do kicking exercises, because you know you don't want to hit the TV or something, or you don't want to break something, you don't want to injure yourself. Okay. Especially with the side kick, you don't want to do that. Okay. Okay. And then, axe kick. These are obviously, you know, aerobic exercises for people that have been, you know, sort of doing these kicks for a long time or something. So if you haven't been, you know, I mean, work up to it. If it's something you want to do, or if you want to study martial arts, then, you know, certainly do it. There's also a lot of aerobics value in that. Okay, but right now it's just aerobics. It's not a competition. It's not you know, martial arts expedition or anything. Okay. All right, front kick. All right, that's it. That is the warm-up. So you go from different aerobic styles to, you know, one certain aerobic style to another aerobic style. You can do the boxing, just throw everything in there, you know. It's a really nice, you know, quick workout, probably still under about 15 minutes. So it's a nice little just warm up, you know, and if you're not into boxing, you're not into martial arts, you know, for whatever reason, just stick with the standard aerobics, you know. That's fantastic. That's fine, you know. Give your body a nice little aerobic workout, you know. Burn some fat around your abs, you know, your obliques. Fantastic. Perfect. You know, just go with your goals, not my goals. Go with your goals. Do what you want to do. All right. Thank you very much for joining me. And thank you again, everyone. Stay strong out there. And, you know, just keep motivated to work out at home. Stick to your own goals. Keep motivated to work out. It's so quick and so easy. And we'll see you next time. Everyone stay strong out there. Bye-bye.